Today we're having an awesome day here at the park. I really love to be here. Oh, I took the best pictures ever. Look at that sunset there. I really love it. Yes, I'm gonna call my friends to see what are they doing today. Little Susy is having a great time playing with the ball and the dolls. What do you think, Laura? I have the best pictures ever. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna call some of my friends. Oh, it's a dog. Look, probably she is lost. Or he is lost. We don't know if that is she or he. Well, Emerald, you are a vet. You better figure it out. Oh, probably this is a missing dog. Susy, be careful. I don't want this dog to bite you. Susy is gonna follow the dog. I can't believe it. Probably she needs a pet. Yeah, probably. Well, I think, Laura, that you need to go down and watch for Susy. The dog is going all around the park and Susy is following him. They're gonna jump on the books. Be careful, Susy. Those are my precious books. I better go down. Look at her. She wants to play with the dog. She's escaping from my arms. She really wants to play with the dog, Emerald. Look at her. She fell, but she is super happy. What do you think, Emerald? What should we do? Well, we need to call animal services to check who is the owner. We don't want to take home a dog that belongs to somebody else. Yeah, but why is the dog here at the park? We don't know. The dog probably escaped from home and she is lost. I hope this is a dog for adoption so we can just take it and adopt it. I just realized that is a he. Oh, can we name him Chocolate? Oh yes, Chocolate is the perfect name. Let me call animal service too. Hello, animal services? What should we do? We just found a lost dog. We are out of service today. So we recommend you to take the dog to your home, and as you are a vet, give us your phone number and take care of him till Monday. We'll be more than happy to help. And we're gonna help you to find the owners. Otherwise, you can adopt the dog. We need to make sure if we can adopt this little Chocolate. Or probably he has a different name. Oh, look at that. What is it? It's a helium balloon. Oh, I want it. Look, Susy. Probably somebody just released it. Oh, I want to catch it. Oh, let me see. Came just into my hands. Do you want this balloon? Look, the baby starts to fly. Oh, no. Come back, Susy. We don't want to lose you. Emerald, let's do something. This baby is floating in the air. Don't worry. She's probably gonna come down pretty soon. Oh no, look at her. She is literally flying. Yeah, this is a new attraction. They're balloons that you rent and they last for 10 minutes and they don't go away. The kids just stays around you. Oh, this is amazing. Do you really enjoy this balloon attraction? Oh, Chocolate wants to try. Look at Chocolate. Ooh, this is a nice attraction. It's also good for dogs. Ooh, I hope he comes back soon. Are you having fun? Oh, he is coming back. I'm really happy that you came back. This has been an awesome day. Look at Chocolate. And what about you, Susy? You want to go on again? What about if we go together? Let's go for a ride. Yes, I'm gonna go for a ride too. Yes, Laura. Now it's our turn. I'm literally flying. Look, flying. Ooh, you should try this, Emerald. You should try. This is amazing. Ooh, calm down. Laura? Yeah, my time is almost done. Ooh, ready for landing. That was amazing. Oh, Emerald, I strongly recommend you this activity. It's amazing. What time is it? It's almost 6 o'clock. It's getting too late. Let's go home. Yes, let's go. Let's take Chocolate with us. Let's take a selfie and then we go home. All right, smile. Super cute. We better go now. Yes, let's go.